Hello, my name is Claudio Rodriguez. Today is October 24th, 2021. This is exercise CIRC05 Attempt C. Today we're going to be using LED lights and an integrated circuit called a shift register with 8 pins on each side. Here's the code. Pretty long code, kind of complicated. The thing is, with the integrated circuit, instead of assigning an LED to an individual pin to send the pulses, that's what we're using the shift register for. And we're only going to be using 3 pins, and the 3 pins right here are 2, 3, and 4, and these are set as variables: data, clock, and latch. Down here we're going to have our usual pin modes. Routines, they're going to be to switch on and off the LEDs and to set delay times for them to turn on and off. Down here we have our first loop, and it's delay time set at 100, the number of milliseconds to delay between LED pulses or updates. And here we have the for loop. Inside this for loop we're declaring data type integer I set. Well, I is an index starting point 0, and I is less than 256 milliseconds. That's the condition, the test, and it'll increment +1. So further down the code, we have our updates for the LED: digital right, shift out, digital right, so it's high and low, on and off. And down here, more of the LED updates, and we have another for loop here. This time the variable I is set at 0, starting point, and the condition tests that I is less than 8, increment +1. And here we have variable and then a bit, which looks like routine, equals to value and B1 and a bunch of zeros. Bit mask, it says. Okay, so like I said, complicated. And we have an if statement, an if-else statement here. We haven't covered that, but we're going to be doing that pretty soon. And then down here, more of these bit masks, these B001s, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8, representing the 8 LEDs. And over here they are. A bunch of wiring and the 8 LEDs. I'm using the green and red. It's almost Christmas. And we used the 560 OHM resistors on these LEDs. And again, we're using pins 2, 3, and 4. And this is the integrated circuit, the shift register. A lot of wires. That's about it. Thank you.